Reasons why you should never skip breakfast. Got the habit of skipping breakfast? Yes? No? Well, whatever your answer may be, just have it in mind that this meal is super important. So yes, if you happen to be one of the many people who find it hard to eat something in the morning, just know that you're doing your precious body more harm than good. In fact, you're not doing it any good. Still in doubt? Well, here are 5 strong reasons why you should eat breakfast every morning. 1. Breakfast keeps you healthy. First off, chances are you've been under the misconception that skipping breakfast saves calories that you can use later in the day when your stomach begins to growl. Well, sorry to burst your bubble, but that's pretty much one of the biggest lies ever told. Contrary to what you think, eating a super healthy breakfast in the morning can help keep your blood sugar levels in check, and that's great. On the flip side, when you fail to take something in the morning, you'll end up feeling hungry throughout the day. In fact, the pangs may come much quicker than you thought. 2. Breakfast gives you energy. Got several different goals to achieve during the day? If so, you won't be wrong to kick things off with a hearty morning meal. It's never a good idea to skip breakfast regardless of how busy or less hungry you are in the morning. Yes, you actually need all the nutrients in a healthy breakfast to carry out your daily tasks with ease. Remember, there are times when you have no choice but to wait for hours before grabbing your next bite. All in all, don't skip breakfast if you want to stay active and strong for the day's many tasks. 3. Breakfast helps you manage your weight. Sounds strange, right? Well, it shouldn't. Breakfast actually increases your chances of losing weight or keeping your overall weight in check. When you adopt the habit of eating breakfast in the morning, you'll find it incredibly easy to resist the urge to reach out for junk food later in the day. And of course, your chances of staying in shape are higher when you have little to no junk food in your life. Moreover, consuming more calories in the morning and fewer as the day goes on is an effective way to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Breakfast gives you much-needed nutrients. Skipping breakfast is the same as skipping nutrients. It's as simple as that. When you choose not to enjoy a hearty meal at the start of the day, you won't be able to make up for the lost nutrients. The good news? You can start getting your nutrients today. Just eat breakfast. 5. Breakfast improves your mental capacity. Want to be mentally alert and attentive during the day? Who wouldn't want to? Well, just don't skip this all-important meal. Today, there are quite a number of breakfast foods that boast the capacity to fire up your brain and take your creativity to the next level. Some smart brain-boosting breakfasts include whole grain toast with smoked salmon or avocado, oatmeal with blueberries, egg sandwich, cereal with peaches and milk, just to name a few. So now what? Well, it's about time to take breakfast serious. Don't skip it, and no, don't skimp on it. Just eat it. Stay healthy.